In this video, I will show you 5 Chrome flags you need to enable right now to experience the best performance, secure and fast. Let me show you. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Next thing you need to do is to come to search or type URL and type in chrome.//flags, hit enter. It's going to take you to the Chrome experiment right here. The fifth one I would like to show you as far as Chrome flag setting is concerned. So come to the search flag right here. So this time around, I'm going to search for incognito. I'm going to search for incognito. Hit on search. Then from my incognito right here, animate the color transition between incognito and regular tab switcher panel. So from incognito right here, I need to simply scroll down right here. Then I'll make sure I come to incognito screenshot. Now, enable incognito screenshot on Android. It will also make incognito thumbnail visible on Android. Simply click on default right here. And make sure you enable. Once you enable, come down below right here and click on relaunch. Now, when you enable incognito screenshot, this allows you to make a screenshot or screen record of whatever you are doing in your incognito browse section in Chrome. So this is the fifth one I want to show you as far as top 5 Chrome flag you need to enable right now. Let's take a look at the fourth one. Come to the search flag right here and type in quick protocol. Now you have it right here. Experimental quick protocol. These are available on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android device. What this particular Chrome flag experiment does is that it makes your browser very much faster and secure. For you to enable it, click on default right here. Then make sure you choose enable. Then come down below right here and click on relaunch. It's that simple. Let's take a look at the very third one as far as Chrome flag you should enable right now is concerned. Come to the search flag right here. This time around, search for parallel. Parallel downloading. Then you have the result right here. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. And this is available on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android device. For you to enable it, click on default right here. And make sure you choose enable. Come down below right here and click on relaunch. With this particular parallel downloading flag setting, it makes whatever you are downloading on your Chrome browser very much faster. Let's take a look at the very second one on Chrome flag setting that you need to enable right now. So the second one I want to show you right here, come to search flag, then type in show autofill prediction right here. Now, annotate web form with autofill type prediction as placeholder text. This is available on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android device. This particular autofill prediction here allows you to automatically fill up detail on a particular website each time you want to sign up on a site. So for you to enable it, click on default right here. And still will take you right here. Simply click on enable right here. Once you click on enable, click on relaunch. It's that simple. So by enable this particular auto fill predictions right here, it will improve your productivity and make your browser experience faster. Most especially if you have a lot of form to fill on some of the websites. It's that simple. Let's take a look at the very first one I have for you as far as best Chrome flag setting you should enable right now. The very first Chrome flag setting you need to enable right now, come to the search flag right here and type in lazy. So enable lazy loaded images for invisible web page. Here, respect the loading. Lazy attributes for images even on invisible web pages. This is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android device. And this particular Chrome flag settings right here, it loads your web page very faster. Most especially if you are visiting a particular web page that constitutes with a lot of images. So instead of the page to be loaded very slower, by enable this, it load more faster. What you need to do is to click on default right here. Make sure you choose enable right here. Then come down below right here, click on relaunch. It's that simple. So basically, these are 5 Chrome flag settings you should enable right now for fast experience, speed up download speed, and security, and at the same time, fast loading of web page that constitutes a lot of images on any particular website. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome and Chrome flag, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.